Welcome to our tutorial series on Optim, an Unreal Engine toolkit designed to bring your Datasmith workflows to the next level. In this video, we're going to cover downloading and installing Optim. First, make sure you have Unreal Engine installed. Go ahead and open your Epic Games launcher and make sure that you have at least Unreal Engine 4.22 installed. Then, head to optim.thea.io. Go ahead and enter your credentials and log in. From the home page, click the orange Download button. Once the installer has finished downloading, double-click it to open it up. Give it permission and then follow the instructions. Select the Unreal Engine versions you want to integrate with Optim and finish the installer. Once the installer is complete, go ahead and open Unreal Engine. A new project or an existing one will work fine. Now, open up your settings menu and go down to Plugins. Go ahead and click that now. In the search bar at the top, go ahead and type in Optim. Unreal Engine will prompt you to restart, so go ahead and do that now. Once the editor is opened again, go ahead and click the Optim symbol in your toolbar. The launcher will open up and prompt you to enter your credentials. With that done, you can now see options to open either the toolkit or the importer. Let's open up the importer. And that's how you install and open Optim. In our next video, we'll talk about navigating the user interface.